Yo, what's up everybody? Now hopefully everybody's having a great time. It's your boy Yashide Gaming and welcome guys. If you're new to my channel, I would like you to kill murder and smash that subscribe button. And yeah, so today I'm gonna do a review. Okay, I'm gonna do a review about this. This was AliExpress order which arrived. Okay, it took about 3 weeks. Okay, if you watch my previous video, you will know that I have placed order on 10 January 2020. Okay, so we are now in February 7. Okay, 7 February 2020. Okay, so let's unbox it. So let's see what's inside this. And as you can see, this is the plastic. Okay, I'm gonna drop that away. And here, as you can see, the phone is well sealed. Okay, in this huge plastic bag. Okay, the phone is well sealed. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to go through that. Okay, I'm gonna open that. It's an earphone jack, 3.55 millimeter audio cable. So I'm gonna put that away. And here's the big plastic. As you can see, this was to make sure that the phone don't get damaged when it was in transit. Okay, so let's put that away. Okay, and now as you can see here, here's a new phone, Lenovo Z5s. So as you can see, right, so I believe it's a global ROM. Okay, so let's open that. All right guys, so I'm gonna undo the cover over here. As you can see, there's pretty much nothing in this cover. And here we got the phone. The phone is inside. Okay, it's well preserved. Okay, huge phone. Oh, damn, I'm holding it upside down. Okay, as you can see, we have the triple camera. Okay, triple camera. Let's see what else we've got inside the box. Okay, all right, so as you can see, we've got the this is a USB OTP cable. Okay, okay, is a USB cable, and this is a charger. So let's move that aside. It's the original plug. And here, as you can see, we've got the SIM toolkit. Okay, so we can remove remove the SIM card using this pin that we've got here. Beside that, we've got the Lenovo Z5s, the guidebook. Okay, it's like a little book. And yeah guys, we've also got you can see a plastic cover. Okay, a plastic cover. Okay, we've also got a free plastic cover for the phone. Okay, which I think it's very great. And yeah guys, for this Lenovo I didn't pay any custom charges because on the, let me show you that. As you can see the custom declaration, you can see there's a tick, it says gift. Okay, it says gift. It's because the seller has I have requested to the seller to send the phone as gift. Okay, so when they send the phone as a gift, I don't have to pay for any charges here. Okay, not a single penny. Okay, I didn't have to pay a single rupee or a single dollar. And as you can see guys, here is how big the screen is. Okay, as you can see here, it's brand new phone. And if as you can see here, at the back we have like a glass. Okay, as you can see, we've got the 3.55 millimeter audio jack. Yeah, so we've got the power. Okay, the switch, volume up, volume down. Yeah, and we've also got the selfie over here, a camera for selfie. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a Z5s. Okay, Lenovo Z5s. Okay, this is 6 GB RAMs. Okay, and 128 GB internal memory.